Alright guys, now I'm ready to transfer money to another country. So this is a brand new account. Congratulations, your first transfer fee is on us. Continue sending to secure your zero transfer fee now. I want to money back there, so my sister living in Sri Lanka. Then I'm gonna find out the country. So normally you can scroll down or you can type in your country, whatever you need to send money to country. So I'm going to type in Sri Lanka. Alright, I find out Sri Lanka. You can send money, send up to 30,000 US dollars. Then I want to put, so first I'm gonna find out how much right now. Right now, $1 United States dollar value is Sri Lankan rupees, 362.87 rupees. Okay, I wanna test this is a brand new account. Then I'm not sending big money right now, so I want to transfer $30 US dollar bank account. I'm going to check the bank account. Can transfer credit card, debit card, or bank account. Right now, so I have a bank account, her bank account. Then I go to transfer bank account. Click again, then continue. Most of our transfer are delivered to 0 to 1 business days. Continue. You can see summary exchange rate 1 US dollar 361.97 Sri Lankan rupees. Transfer amount 30 US dollar. Transfer fee 0. This is a brand new account. Then they give 0 transfer fee. Transfer total 30 US dollars. Receiver. So my sister taking 10,859 rupees. 0 to 5 business days. Okay, everything clear. Then I'm going to continue. Protect yourself from fraud. Only use Western Union to send money to friends and family. Protect yourself from fraud. Everything clear right now. Then I'm going to accept. Okay, you have to fill up information: receiver first name, receiver last name, street address, city, email, phone number, receiver bank account information, branch name, account name, re-enter account name, purpose, transaction. Purpose of transaction, choose one. You can choose one. Then you can continue. That's the way how to send from Western Union money transfer to another country. Okay guys, now I put all the information about the bank details. Then I have to pay with my bank. They're asking add your new bank account, online bank. So manual bank entry to add and continue paying. So I'm going to find out the bank right here. Then we can find out if your bank not over here, then you can find out all other banks. Alright, I go with All National Bank. Okay, I'm going to search. About signing into online banking, this secure connection, all national. Your bank login information cannot be seen by Western Union. Or everything else secured, nobody can see. I mean, Western Union cannot see your bank details. Alright, then I'm going to put my bank details over here and agree and sign in. Okay, this final part, then you can continue to transfer money in another country using your bank. Alright guys, I'm in my PayPal account. I want to show you guys how to transfer money to another person anywhere in the world. You can use PayPal money transfer any country, family and friends. Let's see how can do that. Okay guys, so you can see money transfer, then you can select the direct to bank. I'm going to select that, click on that direct to bank. Going to Zoom PayPal service, send money directly to friends and family who don't use PayPal. 130 destination countries. Recipient doesn't need a PayPal account. Recipient doesn't pay fees. Can read and agree and continue. Okay, where are you sending money? Then we have to select the country. So I wanna type in Sri Lanka. Click on your country. Then how much you need? I put $30 US dollars. Then $30 transfer to 10,986.75 rupees. Okay, next. Okay, choose a receiving option, debit card or deposit, mobile wallet, bank deposit. All major banks you may arrive in a minute to bank account at Sampat Bank, International Bank, People's Bank, Bank of Ceylon. Might be yours different. This is a Sri Lankan bank, cash pickup, money location. In this case, I'm going to select bank deposit. And next. Okay, you have to find your bank. Search People's Bank. Yep, People's Bank. Enter account information you are sending to. By continue below, you are confirming to Zoom that recipient account dominated in Sri Lankan rupees. Routing number, account number, then click next. Okay, you have to read and figure out transfer between $10 and $1,000 US dollar will be waive the Zoom transaction fee. That's how to way that transfer money to your someone else's bank account. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.